Before we start, we need to know how to use the needle properly, and we won't poke ourselves in the process. The basic concept of using this needle is always poke in and out from the same direction and place.
For example, now my needle goes in 90 degrees, the spot is here. So, when I take the needle out, will be the same spot and direction. Once your needle goes out in a different area, it might break due to the angle difference. The broken needle will be stuck inside your work or shoot to other place. We can avoid this dangerous action by aware our poking movement.
It happens quite a lot, especially for the beginners who will forget that we can use our non-dominant hands to move the object. You might wonder, what does that mean?
This is the most common way I saw from students. When you want to poke the other side, and you will force your wrist like this. This is not an ergonomic gesture. You might hurt your wrist and will feel tired soon. Meanwhile, you cannot see the spots that you are working as well. The best way to fix this is using your non-dominant hand to help. The hand you are holding the needle, it should be in the same spot. It just needs to keep doing up and down action. Use the other hand to move the object or working mat to reach different areas. The advantage of this is your needle will be in the same direction every time, and your non-dominant hand will also know how to avoid those needles. Then you won't poke yourself and keep having fun in the flow.